So the BIC Manufacturing Academy is a three-phase program designed to handle the upskilling of incumbent employees in our member organizations and the region's firms. It's got three phases. Phase one is, we call it ALM, Apprenticeship Learning Modules. Here's where we present framing tools for problem solving so folks can become better systems thinkers and be engaged in how to problem solve at work. There's a class on Tuesday, it's 2 hours long, one on Thursday, that complements the technical learning with human skill development. That's 6 weeks live in person at the BIC. 2 weeks of a break to go remote, bang, phase two starts. Phase two is all about highlighting particular technologies. When you think of AI, when you think of collaborative robotics, those are the kinds of technologies that you'll see and experience as a learner, worker in those sessions. But it's also going to be really cool because we're going to do case analysis, like, not like business school, but cases of where technology has been deployed and those conversations around the technology highlighted and the technology really deployed in an organization will allow our instructors to really get into it with these workers who are learning new skills and new ways to frame and really troubleshoot what's going on in a manufacturing environment. And that's also a 6-week phase with 2 weeks of a break. Then boom, we're going to phase three, which is the capstone. I call it a capstone. It's really applied technology. This is where, through the guidance of an industry person and a professional presenting coach, each student will reflect on, maybe they actually started reflecting earlier than phase three, a technology that really lit them up, that they want to bring back to their role, their team, their department, their organization, their firm. And they're going to make the case that this technology belongs in their firm. Maybe it's one technology, but it might even be maybe two. And that process will take about 6 weeks, 2 weeks of prep before they do their professional presentation in front of varied audience members, stakeholders from their firm and our community here at the BIC. 3 phases, 24 weeks from start to finish, upskilling employees in a way that helps them be more part of the solution, augmenting what it means to be a frontline worker. Now, space is limited, so go to the website and fill out your nomination form before the chance is gone.